Ooh, we guys, I am so excited. It is coffee station styling time, and also I will be doing a review of JAVY coffee. So I thank each of you for stopping by on today. Let's have some fun styling out this station and watch my review of this JAVY coffee. So what I'm using here is Simply Tacky, and I'm using it to attach this floor piece to my coffee station sign for that little more touch of elegance here at the station, because you guys know I love elegance, I love glam, so we're not going to make the coffee station any different. We're going to give it that pop of elegance and glam with florals and jewels. We're going to do it up here, so continue to watch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all into my home once again. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. I am, because it's coffee time, and as you saw, I was styling out my coffee station for the spring and Easter season. But I have been contacted by JAVY Coffee to do a review of their coffee. Now, I've tried it cold, but I didn't have milk. So today I'm going to try it hot using my creamer, and we're going to see what it tastes like. Now, you mix it with, well, it says to start off, I guess if you're not used to concentrated coffee, to start off with 1 teaspoon. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill my cup with water. Okay, here we go. This is a half teaspoon, so I'm going to add 2 of these to my hot water. So I'm going to start with the recommendation of just 1 teaspoonful and see how that works. I always have to have my French vanilla creamer, French vanilla creamer. It is by International Delight. They provided me with 2 straws. It came in the box with the coffee. So I'm just going to take one of these and give it a nice little stir. The 1 teaspoon make it look like just creamer. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add the other teaspoon. So 1, 2. Give it a nice little stir. And you guys, this is coffee on the go. You can actually take your bottle with you to work and straight from your desk with your cup and make a cup of coffee. Tastes like coffee, but I'm not sure what to compare it to. I love coffee, so you can give me pretty much any type of coffee and it's going to be good to me. But this is absolutely delicious, you guys. That second teaspoonful really brought out the flavor. It's like a very smooth type of flavor. I don't know how to describe it, but I know it's good. And if it wasn't hot, I wouldn't be standing here with this. So we're gonna go ahead. Y'all know how when something is really good to you and you feel like you just want to dance, you want to bounce. If it wasn't hot, whew. Y'all, this is good. This is like you want to put your hands on your hip and you want to rock. It's that kind of good. This is good stuff. This is microdose coffee concentrate, I guess, which is why they tell you to use the 1 to 2 teaspoons full. And yes, it packs a little punch, but it's a good pick you up in the morning if you're that person to drag about. So you guys, would I recommend this JAVY concentrate? Yes, I would. Am I biased? Probably, because I love coffee and pretty much however you give it to me, except for that straight Colombian coffee, I can't do that. It gives me the shakes and the jitters. So this is really, really good. And you guys know, I always tell you to grab your coffee and your tea or whatever it is that you choose to drink. So go ahead, grab your coffee and your tea as I share with you my coffee station that I have styled out for the spring and summer. So let me clean up some of my mess here from the coffee, and then I will bring you guys back and share with you the reveal. My information regarding the JAVY coffee will be in my description box below, so please go over and check that out. For those of you, if this is your first time visiting my channel here, I want to take this time to say I welcome you here and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would love to become a part of this family, just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, I want to say thank you. So let me clean up this and I will bring you back and give you the reveal of my coffee station. So guys, before I share with you my reveal of my station, let's just talk about this JAVY coffee. Yes, it comes in a little bottle. It is very easy to use, to have it with you for travel. It came with these 2 little metal straws with the rubber tips on the end, and they were actually in the little bag there with the little brush to clean your straws with. Now you can make a cup of coffee in a matter of seconds. Yes, guys, you can have it hot or you can have it cold. All it takes is 1 to 2 teaspoons of the JAVY into water or milk, and drink it with a iced coffee or drink it hot. And you saw me drinking mine hot, but I love creamer, so I usually have more cream than I do coffee. But let me tell you, the flavor of it was absolutely delicious. It had sort of like a smooth taste, like you knew it was coffee, but it was a nice flavor. Like, it was really, really good. And would I try it again? Yes, I will. Will I buy it? Yes, I will. Will I use up this bottle? Yes, I will. So you guys, will I recommend JAVY coffee to you? If you love coffee and you love any type of flavor, then I would say give it a try. That's all I would say, is just give it a try. I will leave more information about it in my description box below, but continue to enjoy this video as I share with you my coffee station for 2022 spring and summer. Now, it is set up for hubby and I. These are the snacks that we like. Normally, I set my coffee station up for the grandkids, but these are our favorites. And this is, we may walk by and we may have some nuts, or we may have a few of the biscuits there, but this is the station set up for us. So let me know what you think about my review of the JAVY coffee. Also, let me know what you think of my coffee station here by leaving me a comment in the comment section. And for those of you, if you would love to become a part of this family, it is so easy. Just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice, so you'll be notified each and every time that there's an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, you guys know I appreciate it so much. So be blessed and take care, and enjoy the rest of this video to music, as I am your host, Gigi Faison.
Melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I can see you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 just like shining star. 서로 바라보는 이곳. I'll be always by your side. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속